Hey guys, good morning. Laura with Garden Answer. We're here at my in-laws house to give you an update on an area I planted up 2 years ago. So we did this little mini makeover on this corner in their front garden. We started by taking all the sod out, so there was sod all the way up to the sidewalk on both sides, and then we added in a few layers of plants just to make it look soft and attractive, and it's very heavy on winter interest, which we did on purpose. So let's start in the back here, the back layer. This is a compact gem Bosnian pine. They grow just about 10 to 12 feet tall and only 6 feet wide. So what I mean is 6 feet wide total, so 3 feet on each side. And I know that was a little bit of a concern because there is a fire hydrant here. I chose plants specifically to not get close to that fire hydrant. And you can tell in 2 years, there's still tons of space. Even if this pine gets its full mature size, it'll be about this wide, maybe about right here. So if anybody needs to access this fire hydrant, they will have absolutely no problem doing that. You can see it from all directions. Next layer down, we have Arctic Fire dogwoods, which have performed beautifully. The wonderful thing about this Arctic Fire, they're zone 2 through 7, so super winter hardy, super bright red stems in the winter, which I wish I would have taken a picture. I didn't, I don't think. I'll double check and see if I've got any. But this is kind of a breakthrough in a dogwood because typical red twig dogwoods get about 8 to 10 feet tall and wide. That's a huge, massive shrub. So to have one that stays smaller is really nice because you can tuck them in like this. Next layer down, we have the Gold Splash Euonymus, which only grow about 1.5 feet to 2 feet tall and wide. So just a nice little accent shrub. And I wanted to bring in a little bit of like a gold pop, just as something that was bright in this area because I knew we weren't going to be doing much for color in terms of blooms. These are an evergreen, zone 5 through 8. And they've done really great. This one right here looks like it struggled a little bit, but we've pruned out kind of the dead stuff and it's coming back. I think it's going to be just fine. And you know, that kind of stuff happens. And really, when you take a look at all the plants we put in this area, to have only one of them struggle a little bit is really good. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to give you an update on what this area looks like 2 years later. I really hope you enjoyed seeing this update, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.